Hi everyone! In this video, I'll be showing you how to transcribe a YouTube video. So as you can see here, I have a YouTube video. Now, YouTube automatically generates transcripts already, so you can see it by clicking the description and then click Show Transcript. Here, you can just copy-paste it into your preferred document app. Now, another way to do this is by copying the link or downloading the video, and then go to vid.io, and then click Transcribe a video to text. Now once you're here, just upload the video you downloaded. After uploading, just click Auto Subtitle in English. And then here, as you can see, we already have our transcript. So some of these may be inaccurate, so just be sure to double check and then change the words. After that, you can just click Done, and then export your video or the subtitle file. And then that's it. That's how you can successfully transcribe your YouTube video.